That Meadows trail, that's fun.
Yeah.
I got to figure out why my brakes are going, whoa!
Stick some grease on them, though.
No. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Wanted to give you a quick update on a little trip I took over the July 4th holiday to Laguna Beach, Laguna Hills. And I ultimately got to ride a couple of trails on Aliso, sorry if I botched the name of that, Woodlands trail. And I didn't really know where I was going, so I opted to use a guide that I found online. And I can tell you what, if you don't know where you're going, it's best to do that, not rely on trail forks. I used Mark at Zen MTB, and I'm going to put a link to him right there. And hey, if you're ever out in the Southern California area, you need someone to show you around just to get familiarized with the trails or to take you on an all-day epic adventure, definitely hit Mark up. Really good guy and really great little company. Hey, take a look at the video and let me know what you think. If you like it, subscribe. If you don't, well, then, you know, you don't have to. But I had a rad time. Take a look. And here's that link to Zen MTB. This is on Instagram. Go ahead and check him out and like him and subscribe. Oh yeah.
He's pretty good. Brian loves computers.
I'm not gonna staircase it. What do we got? No, I'm not gonna do staircases. Come on, beast.
Before this was paved.
And here's a little disclaimer. Before I dropped into the Meadows trail in Aliso Woodlands, yeah, I got some stuff on my brake rotor, and it was my fault. It was chain lube or wax or something that I put on that Ripmo AF. And well, I got howling monkey squealing brakes, so you're gonna see some music over top of this section.
There we go.
All right. This is her right here. Sorry about that. things are squealing. You hear me coming from a mile away, huh? Hey. Bring. Oh, that's fun. That Meadows trail, that's fun.
Yeah.
I got to figure out why my brakes are going, whoa!
Stick some grease on them though.
No. It might.